Hello, everyone. This video is to help you with first year registration as a graduate student. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our main webpage, which is sage.edu. And from there, you'll be taken to this main page. You'll see all the way over to the right side is this hamburger button or the three horizontal lines. If you click on that, it will open up this menu for you here. And you'll see on the right-hand side, three options. One that says Give Now, one that says Sage Passport, and one that says Self-Service with a pen icon. We're going to click on this bottom option with the pen icon that says Self-Service. That's going to take you into your Sage Self-Service account. If you haven't already signed in, it's going to ask you to sign into your account. If you are already signed in on your computer, it should automatically take you to this page. From here, you can go to course catalog. You're going to want to use this if you already know which classes you want to register for. So you're going to put in the name of the course that you want to register for. So let's say you're going to be taking Psychology 525. So we're going to pick a section that is available, and we're going to click Add Section to Schedule. You'll pick the the section that makes most sense for your schedule. Like, for example, you see this one is on our Albany campus, whereas this second option here is synchronous online. So you'll click the one that best fits your schedule by adding the section. Click Add Section. Great. And so now that course has been planned. To officially register for the course, you're going to go back to this Russell Sage College icon. You'll click that at the top and it will take you back to the main page. You're going to go into student planning. And then you're going to click the second option here, plan your degree and register for classes. And you'll click on plan and schedule. And here you'll be able to see the course planned on your schedule. This course has a wait list, so rather than getting registered, you'll click waitlist and be waitlisted. But typically there will be an option here in blue that says register, and you'll see that you're successfully registered. Once you click the blue register button, there's also typically a blue register button here at the top where it says register now, where you can register for all your courses at once. But you'll know you're registered once the course turns green, and there's a check mark that says registered but not started. You can see that on the schedule here. And you'll be able to click on your course section to learn more about the course, including what time it will take place, where it's going to take place, and the bookstore information. You'll click on this link here that says bookstore information, and it will take you to our bookstore to show you the books you'll need for the course. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. If you do have further questions, you are always welcome to reach out to the Office of Graduate Admissions, and we are happy to assist you with this process.